Hello there, let's go for my 6 blades in England. I'm guessing my latest sharpening commission due to the length and the size and the weight of it. So let's get this opened. Let's use a fire steel blackened Stanley knife. On which end do you reckon? Try here. Okay, yeah, and he's folded a large jiffy bag around on itself. So if I'm really careful, there he is. I love when you wrap them up. So I'll wrap that up in the same package. I'll put that back there out of the way. Work your magic on me, keep up the videos, enjoy watching them. And it's addressed for the return postage. That's from BarkingBadger. So I'll put the note back in there. I have his address as well. Filed away. Okay. Wrap that up, will I? Need a bigger blade. I've got plenty of bubble wrap, so I don't mind sacrificing this. And it looks cool on camera. Looks strangely familiar, this size and shape. Super bit of cardboard, so I know where that's going. Use that again. Yes, Golok. There's a phrase round here in Somerset, and that is, I could ride bare ass to Bristol on that. How can it go out from the factory with no edge? So, work my magic. Love to, mate. You've had a go at the handle, haven't you? Feels like it. Give it a bit of a dress as well. So, BarkingBadger, I'm going to have a little play with this little beauty. Why do they come blunt? But yes, love to have a go at that. Bit busy this weekend, but I've got some evenings this week. So the Golok, it's got Mark II in it, No.2 crocodile steel in it, Martindales Golok for BarkingBadger. Yeah. Only 40 minutes. You should be able to see a rough convex, rough, the other side. Let's try and catch the light right there, see it? So, stonework to go. Right at the end, at the other end, and in the middle. That's better. So, I've done the groundwork, now I've got to finish it off and blend the steps. A lot of people obviously know that when you've got a slack section on your belt, let's say there was no metal from there to there on my sander, by pushing the blade in, I push the belt back. I end up that the belt has done that, so I end up with a convex profile because of pushing the blade into a slack belt. I haven't got that on this, so what I'm doing is I'm addressing the blade in varying angles. So I'll do a pass like this, and a pass like that, and a pass like this. So I've basically got 20-30 little steps, creating a convex edge without having a slack section of belt. In time I'll ever make something like that, but in the meantime I'm getting around the fact that all my belt is solid backed. So I'm creating a convex edge of sorts, but it's in graduated steps. By the time I go on the stone, I can sort of even it all out. But that is just much better. So it should be, a thing like that should be fast, because they've obviously removed stock there for lightness, so it should be light and easy to use in your hand with a nice heel on the end so you don't let go of the thing. That's what we've done. It won't be paper cutting sharp yet, I don't expect. Oh, it is. Hey, that wasn't the point at the moment. The point is to create an edge where there wasn't one, and we got there. So I'll plod on with that within a week. But Mr. BB, BarkingBadger, I've made a start. All the best, got from my 6 blades. Put paper in my eye. Cheers. See you on the next one.